Hi friends, welcome to Fred's Sustainable Gardening, where we grow our future, one seed at a time. Today I want to show you why gardening is for everyone. Yes, even you. Whether you're 6 or 60, gardening is easy, fun, and full of surprises. So grab your gloves, or just your hands, and let's dig in. Gardening is like magic. You plant a tiny seed, give it a little love, and watch it grow into something amazing, like flowers, veggies, or even fruit. And the best part? You don't need a big yard or fancy tools. You just need some soil, sunlight, water, and curiosity. That's it. See this little seed? It might look small, but inside it's packed with everything it needs to grow into a giant sunflower. Amazing, right? You don't need a lot to get started. Here are my favorite tools for beginner gardeners: a small trowel, perfect for digging little holes, a watering can, or even an old cup to give your plants a drink. Gloves, if you don't like dirt under your nails. But me? I think dirt is a badge of honor, and recycled containers like yogurt cups to plant seeds indoors if you don't have a garden. See? This little tomato plant started right here. Now it's ready to move to the garden. Okay, let's start a garden together. You can do this at home, at school, or even in a pot on a windowsill. Follow these simple steps. Pick a sunny spot. Plants love sunlight, like kids love candy. Find a place where the sun shines most of the day. Prepare the soil, scoop out weeds, and loosen the dirt so roots can grow. It's like fluffing a pillow for your plants. Plant your seeds. Check the seed packet for how deep to plant. Usually it's as deep as your pinky finger. Water gently. Plants don't like soggy feet. A light sprinkle of water works best. Watch and wait. This is the hardest part. But every day, check on your plants. You might see sprouts in just a few days. Here are some fun tips to make gardening even more exciting. Grow fast-growing plants. Radishes and sunflowers sprout quickly, so you don't have to wait long. Make plant markers. Paint rocks or popsicle sticks to label your plants. It's like giving them name tags. Create a worm hotel. Worms are garden superheroes. They help make the soil healthy. Find a few worms and let them dig in. Did you know you can use a magnifying glass to look at the tiny veins on leaves or see bugs up close? It's like exploring a miniature jungle. Gardening teaches us about the circle of life. When plants die, they turn into compost, which feeds new plants. That's nature's way of recycling. So, save your veggie scraps and put them in a compost pile or bin. It's like making food for your garden. Look at what we grew together. Gardening connects us to nature and teaches us patience, responsibility, and joy. So whether you're growing a single flower or a big veggie patch, remember, gardening is for all. And it all starts with one tiny seed. Thanks for joining me today on Fred's Sustainable Gardening. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And as always, happy gardening.